Today we're checking out the Motive Gear 9 3/4 inch rear E-Locker Differential 34 spline for the 2012 to 20 F-150s. If you take your F-150 off-road, you tow, or you just want more control over your traction, this electronic locker is a big step up from an open rear end, so it's definitely worth checking out. This unit is built for the Ford 9 3/4 inch rear, and it uses a 34 spline setup to match the axles used on the 2012 to 20 F-150s. This E-Locker will let you send power evenly to both rear wheels instead of letting one spin when the traction gets sketchy. The extra grip is a big help on loose trails, in snow or mud, or when pulling a trailer up a slick ramp or a driveway. Providing the right traction to the wheel that's in contact with the ground could spell the difference between your F-150 being stuck or moving forward. This differential assembly makes sure that you can continue on your journey and get out of those sticky situations. It's designed as a direct fit carrier, so it integrates into the factory housing and it works with the rest of the drivetrain when installed correctly. This is going to be a great option for anyone who takes their F-150 off-road or needs solid traction in more demanding situation and not just a commuter truck. When it comes to the construction on this, you're getting a 34 spline differential built with factory grade materials and robust internal components. The carrier and the gears are engineered to handle the torque and the weight of a full-size F-150, and the electronic locking mechanism is designed for repeated engagement without giving up durability over time. This is built to deliver a long service life, so you can count on it whether your truck's a daily driver, weekend warrior, or you're using it as a tow rig. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in the upper $600 price range. For a full electronic locking differential that drops into the existing 9.5 inch housing, that's a solid value, especially compared to the cost of aftermarket axles and other traction upgrades. You're getting a major performance and capability bump in a single component that pays off every time traction gets questionable. When it comes to this install process, it's going to get rated the full 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can get this job done in 4 hours of your time if everything goes smooth. This install is going to be pretty involved, so if you aren't 100% confident in your capabilities to get this done, then go right ahead and hire a professional to make sure this job gets done right for you. All right, that's going to wrap up my review of the Motive Gear 9 3/4 inch rear E-Locker Differential 34 spline for the 2012 to 2020 F-150s. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at American Trucks.